Hi everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we're going to make this delicious Haitian style smoked herring. We also call it sauce Aranso or Aransel. So let's begin. Okay guys, so to enjoy your Aransel fully, you have to be mindful that it is very salty. We definitely recommend that you boil your Aransel first so you can remove some of the salt that's in it. And for this, we are boiling the Aransel at least 2 times because, like I said, it's very salty and you do not want the salt to interfere with the other seasoning and mess up your dish. So while that's boiling, and all you need to do is boil it just about 5 minutes over medium heat. Next, go ahead and cut your onions and cut your mini bell peppers, or you can use regular red bell peppers, and also dice your garlic. Set that aside, and in a skillet, go ahead and add in your oil. And we're also adding in just half of the onions because Haitian sauce usually have onions that are nice and crunchy but also soft at the same time. Once you're done, add in your smoked herring or your Aranso. Next, go ahead and add in your diced garlic. And now we're going to cook this for just a couple minutes, just so we can get the flavors going. Next, add in your tomato paste, and for this we are using 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, and let that cook for a few more minutes and deglaze it with water. Next, add in your fresh parsley and salt and pepper to taste, and give it a quick stir. Guys, the full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com, and we're also showing you a step-by-step guide on how to make this perfectly. And we're also adding in, to better enhance the flavors, we're adding in cloves, we're also adding in cayenne pepper, and we're also adding in lemon juice because anytime you have fish involved, you definitely want some sort of acidity to go along with it. We're adding in the mini bell peppers, and now we're going to add in the remaining sliced onions. Again, we're only cooking it just for a few minutes because you still want the crunchiness as well as the softness in the onions, so when you bite to it, it's not too crunchy and not too soft. Hope that makes sense. So I noticed that the sauce was a little bit too thick for my liking, so I went along and added just a little bit more water just to thin it out a little bit more. Again, the full recipe is on the website, and you can enjoy this delicious sauce Aranso with boiled plantains, which we also have on the website, where we're showing you how to properly boil your plantain, or you can have it with boiled yams. Either or, it's perfect. Guys, we absolutely love making these videos for you all, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we don't want you to miss out on anything. Enjoy your day. Cheers.